Adjectives. Nkõwa aha. Adjectives. Nkõwa aha. Aha m bụ Chinenyechukaipere. Ihe anyị ga-amụ tata bụ nkõwa aha. Please subscribe and share. Adjectives bụ nkõwa aha. In Igbo, adjectives are nkõwa aha, things that explain nouns. These are examples. Ọfọ dị mkpụmkpụ. Ọfọ dị mkpụmkpụ. Ọfọ is short. Ọfọ could be somebody's name, and ọfọ could be a staff, the short staff that titled men hold. We usually see them in Igbo movies, okay? Okeke toro ogologo. Okeke is tall. Okeke toro ogologo. Okeke is tall. Ugo na-acha ọcha. Ugo na-acha ọcha. Ugo is an eagle. Ugo is a bird. Ugo could be somebody's name, and Ugo could be a bird. Ugo na-acha ọcha. Ugo is light in complexion or fair. Nkịta ahụ dị oji. Nkịta ahụ dị oji. Nkịta ahụ na-eji oji. That dog is black. Okay? I'm going to underline the adjectives in these sentences. So, mkpụmkpụ, ogologo, ọcha, oji are the adjectives in these sentences. One thing I'd like you to know or understand too is that sometimes in Igbo we don't use the same verbs to explain certain things. Like in English, if we want to say Ọfọ is tall or Ọfọ is short, Okeke is tall. So the verb for those two will always be is. But if you look in Igbo, ogologo has its own verb, which is toro. They always go hand in hand. Some dialects, I remember a friend, she said they say toro mkpirishi, meaning it's short. But for Igbo or Central Igbo, toro means height, like it's tall. So Okeke is tall. Toro is signifying height, and this is the adjective, but this is the verb. But this verb is helping or talking about this. So in Igbo you will say Ọfọ dị mkpụmkpụ. Ọfọ is short with de. But when you're signifying or talking about tall, you have to say Okeke toro ogologo or Ọfọ soro mkpụmkpụ. However, you can still say Okeke dị ogologo, but most times the perfect verb for ogologo is toro. Ugo na-acha ọcha. You can't say nkịta ahụ na-acha oji. No. So acha goes hand in hand with ọcha. Nkịta ahụ dị oji or na-eji oji. You see, ugo na-acha ọcha. Nkịta ahụ na-eji oji. So we can still write it this way. Is that clear? So you can say ugo na-acha ọcha. Nkịta ahụ na-eji oji. Yeah, so it's not always a direct translation from English when you speak Igbo. Nwata ọjọọ ahụ zuru ego m. That naughty child stole my money. Nwata ọjọọ ahụ. That naughty child zuru ego m. Stole my money. Nwata ọjọọ ahụ zuru ego m. That naughty child or that bad child. Ọjọọ could be naughty or bad. Nwata ọjọọ ahụ zuru ego m. That naughty child stole my money. Ijeọma bụ ezigbo nwanyị. Ijeọma is a good lady or a good woman. Akwa ochie ahụ adọkaala. Akwa ochie ahụ adọkaala. That old cloth is torn or ripped. That old cloth or clothes, your dress, or that old dress is torn. Nne zụtara m akwụkwọ ọhụrụ. Mother bought me a new book. Nne zụtara m akwụkwọ ọhụrụ. There's a dot here. Nne zụtara m akwụkwọ ọhụrụ. Now, let me underline the adjectives. The adjectives are ọjọọ, bad or naughty, ezigbo, good, ochie, old, ọhụrụ, new. In this sentence, this adjective is explaining this noun. Nwata ọjọọ, bad child. This ezigbo is explaining this noun. Ezigbo nwanyị, good woman or good lady or good female. Akwa ochie, old cloth or old dress or old outfit. Akwụkwọ ọhụrụ, new book. So this could be a textbook, a novel, or exercise book. Anything book, okay? Okoko a mara mma. Okoko a mara mma. This flower is beautiful. Okoko is flower, or ifuru, Flower is okoko. Lohai, lohai. Okoko. So usually it's a swallowing of an O happened here. So let's put another O there. You know, this is a spelling, but the real spelling should have an O here, which will make the sound go low, high, low, high. But because, you know, we combine the two O's into one, so in writing, it looks like one O. But when you say it, it sounds like okoko. Okoko a mara mma. This flower is beautiful. So the adjective here is mma. The adjective is mma. Ụzọ a gbagọrọ agbagọ. This road is crooked. Gbagọrọ agbagọ. This is the verb and this is the adjective. So, but this verb is related to this. So you can only use this verb for this adjective. Ụzọ is road or path or way. Okay? Ụzọ a gbagọrọ agbagọ. This is a crooked road. Efere ya wara awa. Plate. His or her plate is cracked or broken. Efere ya wara awa. Again, efere ya wara awa. I'd like you to do the tone marking. If you listen to me say it, try to tone mark by yourself. Okay? Ọkwụrụ m puru okoko ọcha. Again. Ọkwụrụ m puru okoko ọcha. My okra grew white flowers. Or my okra grew a white flower. So this is a tone marking for this sentence. Hi, low, hi, hi. Ọkwụrụ m. Hi, low, hi, hi. Ọkwụrụ m puru lolo. Okoko. Lohai, lohai. Ocha. Hi, hi. Okay, I want to emphasize on the okoko. There is a swallowing of an O in that okoko. So below, right here, I showed what it should have been like. So it's lohai, lohai. But then the swallowing, just when you write, you can write without the two O's. Then it is okoko. Lohai, lohai. Okoko. All right? We have come to the end of today's program. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.